This stuff was all much more expensive. We had a couple of items like coffee, which is a lot. We're gonna get that down. You saw that today. The coffee comes down. Remember when I first took over eggs? My third day in office, I had a news conference.
Okay, guys.
News media was screaming.
I couldn't tell it was even on.
Congressman about eggs. Remember that?
So, this is the part about truck driving.
Hello?
The worst part about truck driving, the absolute worst part about truck driving. I'm at home
I just got here. I'm sorry.
and leaving home. That's the worst part.
They said, don't
It's so hard to leave.
won't be able to get 'em. And they said we have a big
So,
Easter egg
here we
hunt
go.
at the White House. It's sort of a thing that
I got it outside running and
they said,
got to turn the TV off and
I said,
lights out, all that stuff.
eggs dinner by that time. And by the time
So-
we got to Easter, the price of eggs had fallen precipitous.
It's always tough. Never gets any easier, just gets worse. I don't have any young kids at home anymore, but still don't like to go anywhere. So, come on, guys, let's go on a trip. We'll see how it works out. Only bringing one little battery for the camera, so when it's over, it's over. So, we're gonna give it a shot here. Gotta lock it all up. And we are ready. Remember, if anybody wants to buy it, it's for sale. Yep. It's a mess. But hopefully our trip will go good. I'm gonna go to New Orleans and sleep out in Chalmette so that I can you know, get an early start. I'll go in PC to go down there. This thing here is called an E-load, and this
You have 8 hours and 0 minutes of remaining drive time.
is the government tattletale, the babysitter. That likes to do what it likes to do. Well, did it give it to me? Yeah, it did. All right. So, here we go. I'm not going to stick it to the windshield. I'll just be turning it off here. It takes about an hour to get to Chalmette, and we're going to go over there and call it a night. Well, for a few hours. And then around 3 or 4 in the morning, we'll get up and go to the American Sugar Refinery and pick up a load. And we'll talk at you again when we get to the city. Here we go.